going on, everybody? So I just got some new rollerblades from Inlinewarehouse. Got the USD Sway Chris Farmer Pro 3s, and I was just gonna make an unboxing, check out how they look. First, I gotta get in here. I also got Inlinewarehouse's $10 bag deal. It's only like 20 something. Got it for 10 because I got sweets. This is actually really good quality. Kind of like this actually. This will be perfect for them. I just want to protect them. They're nice skates. Got the logo right here. Not their logo, but their website. Here is, also got a bracelet with it. Alright, let's see. First impressions, how's this open? Oh, we got some tape right here. Oh lordy. These are sweet. Gotta break these in. These are not rolling at all. Comes with, you got your 4 wheels. I love this pattern that they went with. Had to get this. Can't skate without that strap. It's so useful, at least from my point of view. Oh, let's see. These pads. Comes with a MyFit liner. You get Kizer frames. I forget the strap names. Just some USD 58mm wheels. They look awesome. Let's get them both out of here. Let's see what else we got in the bag. A little pamphlet. About being safe. I'm guessing this bag we're gonna have an Allen key. If I could get it open. How do they do this? Can't get into this. Got the Allen key. Oh, it's a nice Allen key too. My last Bear blades I got back in 2011. Haven't skated in over a decade. Here's the other Allen key. I mean, this is pretty much everything you get if you're buying just the blades. You get the bag if you want to add it for like $10. I would suggest it if you don't have one. $10, you can't go wrong with this bag. It's very, very nice quality. It's actually thick. It doesn't feel like some cheap material. Let's get all this other trash out of here. Oh, these are gonna have so much support. There's a lot of support right here. all these stickers off. Can't have the stickers. They're so beautiful when they're new. And then you use them like 5 times and they're dirty. If you're looking to spend a decent chunk of money, you want some really nice blades, I would definitely suggest these. I can't even like this is not soft whatsoever. Nice memory foam. The MyFit liners are always a nice liner to have. These also have the, hold on, let's see. I'm getting to this one actually because I already took the pieces out. It's nice too. All your extra going right in behind it all. My last ones, they just hang out, and as you're skating, you hit them with your foot. I did not enjoy that. I'm just trying to figure out how to get this out of here. Whoa, that's magnetic. Handy. Does this not come out all the way? Oh, there we go. Let's see if I can get this liner out and show more. Very nice liner. Has the 45 in it. I'm not sure if I'm a fan of that. I've never tested it out yet, but it is removable. So if you want the flat foot, you can still have that option. It'll just go right back onto it. I'll probably test out the 45 lean just because I have it. Maybe I'll enjoy it a lot. For most people, I've heard a lot of people don't enjoy it because then you're like leaning. You got that little lean on you don't really enjoy. Makes you feel like you're falling forward. But if I start feeling like that and I don't enjoy it, it'll just come right off. I'm trying to make sure it's lined up. This is a very nice boot. Neoprene toe. It'll stretch. You got bigger toes. I have wide feet, so this is just an unboxing, but in a week or two maybe I'll have another video and I'll let you guys know how they fit on my feet. We've been having really bad weather, so it could take longer than that if it keeps raining a lot. I don't really want to ruin them, and I do just like to be on like the roads and stuff. I'm not really much of a park skater yet. But thanks for watching. Check them out. Inlinewarehouse.com. If you want to use Afterpay, you can use Afterpay with these, which is awesome because then you're paying a quarter of it every 2 weeks. That's how I got mine. Have a good one. Thanks for watching.